fashionable? It's fashionable? Not really, but it's working. Hey, and welcome back. We leave in a couple of days for our trip to Europe, so I thought this was a great time to share some amazing travel tips with you. Some of them are weird, but they're all pretty genius. Here we go. My first tip might seem a little neurotic, but a travel binder is a must, or at least a folder, somewhere where you can put all of the paper copies for your trip. So you want confirmations, tickets, your itinerary, your flight information, and photocopies of your identification, because you never know, you might lose your phone or have it stolen. So it's important to have paper copies of all of this stuff. I also love writing out information for a loved one back home of where we're staying, the contact information in case we're abducted by pirates or fall in a hole. Being organized is about being prepared. I've included a free printable. If you want to create your own travel binder, you can click the link in the description. If you're like me and you hate to fly, a calming kit for moms is a must. I have a reusable bag from the dollar store that I added this cute little saying to, that I keep things that calm me down, especially some Gravol, so mommy can go night-night. And I'm covering my eyes, I have scented things, I have lotions, I have mints, I have chocolate, all the things that I need when I'm having a panic attack because of turbulence in one easy to organize bag. If you ever traveled with kids, you know after an hour in the car or on a plane, you want to kick them out. You just want to open the emergency door and boot them to infinity because I'm bored. Are we there yet? I hate this. I'm uncomfortable. I'm hungry, which is why you need surprise busy bags for your kids. In a car, on a plane, it doesn't matter. A busy bag you fill with things that are going to keep them entertained for a short amount of time, but nothing huge, something that's packable like pens and paper, notepads. Maybe it's a crossword puzzle, lots of candy, because if you wait till you go through security to buy the candy, it's so expensive. So pack their favorites ahead of time, have gum and mints, hard things they can chew so their ears don't get, that pain so they can pop. I'm telling you, you need to pack your kids a busy bag, and we put it all into a little packing cube from the dollar store. Anytime I fly, I always fly with a blanket scarf. If it's summer, I go with a nice light one, or a fall or winter, I go with a heavier one. Not only because they look bougie and beautiful, but because they actually serve a purpose too. It's cold sometimes on an airplane, so having a blanket scarf means that you can cover up and get cozy, and it also makes a perfect pillow by bunching it up. You've got to travel with a blanket scarf. When traveling, I think a crossbody anti-theft purse is a must. I love this bag. We used to have backpacks, but not only were they heavy, it's really easy for pickpockets to steal from a backpack. So I'm too young for a fanny pack, you guys, or a money belt, which is why I love this crossbody bag. It has compartments for everything that we need. It has a quick release on the side here for my phone, a spot for a water bottle, but the best part is it has all of these little locking latches so nobody can steal anything. And I feel like for under $30 from Amazon, it's pretty too, right? It's fashionable. It's fashionable. Not really, but it's working. Obviously, a first aid kit is a must, but honestly, I feel like the prepackaged ones you can buy at the dollar store are pretty useless. I like packing my own. This is still a dollar store bag, but it's filled with things we actually use on a regular basis. We have disinfecting wipes and of course a ton of band-aids, especially ones meant for your heel because somebody always gets a blister because Joe walks us like it's fat camp. We also have pills that we need, things to make you poop, things to make you stop pooping, things for pain, things for allergies. All the things you need in these adorable little containers and all packed together in one little first aid kit. If you have kids, packing in pea pods is a must. Otherwise, they're rummaging through their suitcase, making a huge mess. You lay out their outfit and lay out their underwear, everything you need, and then fold it in and place the socks at the top of the outfit with the top of the socks facing out. Roll up from the bottom and then wrap the sock around the whole outfit to make this adorable little pea pod. So everything's contained, every outfit, you know it's going to match. It's all contained into one little pea pod. This really only works for kids' clothes though, because you don't want to stretch out the socks. But if you have little ones, this pea pod is a must. If you haven't used packing cubes yet, seriously, life-changing. I don't know what I did before I started using packing cubes. These are so cheap. You can get them on Amazon. You can get them at anywhere. Even the dollar store has them. And you pack your clothes in your suitcase into the packing cubes first. I like packing by all the bottoms together, all the tops together, all the pajamas together, all my undergarments together. Some people pack by outfit. It doesn't matter. The point is, it's keeping everything in your suitcase really contained, really organized, and you're not rummaging around looking for what you need. I love using this dollar store case to create a little tech kit when we travel because we have a lot of cables and cords and chargers. And this contains everything together. And because we're traveling to Europe, we have multiple adapters that I love. You just click down wherever you're staying. So in the UK, you have your own little adapter, and then it comes with 4 USB and 2 USB-C adapters, so we can charge all of our devices off of just one of these. I used to take all my bathroom products and put them in a Ziploc bag so I could take them on the plane, but this takes up so much space. Now I always use this little dollar store go-to travel kit. I love that these containers are super easy to fill, and it also comes with an adorable baby funnel so that you can pour in things like your toner or perfume or anything else that you want to pack, and a little baby spatula so you can fill these smaller compartments with your eye cream or your night cream or even face masks. This will save you so much space, and you can reuse it over and over again. I feel like shoes are underutilized storage when traveling. Stuff them with socks, but they're also the perfect place for breakable things like your perfume or deodorant or anything else because they're so hard. It keeps everything inside protected. Just wrap them with a dollar store shower cap to make sure the rest of your luggage doesn't get dirty, but shoes, definitely use them for storage. Make sure when you're traveling to throw in an empty pillowcase to use for a dirty laundry bag. You don't want your dirty knickers touching your clean ones, so throw them in a pillowcase. It's small, it's compact, and it keeps all of your clean clothes fresh. If you're packing some fancy pants, collar, dress shirts, simply roll up the belt and tuck it in the neck to keep that collar nice and firm. A dollar store craft bead sorter is perfect for jewelry when you're traveling. It opens up, it has lots of different size compartments for earrings and necklaces, but it keeps everything organized and contained for just $1. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found some of these travel tips helpful. And even if you're not traveling, I have a travel printable pack. I'm going to put the link in the description, but it includes staycation ideas too. So you can plan some fun even if you're not going anywhere. Books you can read, movies you can watch. Plan some fun before the summer's over. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. I totally forgot to tell you guys, tomorrow, the Take Your House Back course, it opens up again and it's on sale for just $94 for the next week. You don't want to miss your chance to take back control of your home and your life. I've partnered with Dawn from The Minimal Mom and Dana from A Slob Comes Clean. We have the most amazing course all about decluttering and organizing and taking back control of your home, and we offer a live all-day declutter. This is my favorite part. So not only do you get all the videos and the podcasts and the printables that come with the course and the free Facebook group, but you also have that live declutter September 10th. This is all day. We're like motivating. We're your private clutter coaches, and everybody says they get the most done on this day. So I hope to see you there on Saturday. And if not, I'll see you in that private Facebook group. I'm going to put the link down below so you can join Take Your House Back today. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I don't mean to make fun of Joe, but anytime we go on vacation together, whether it's just him and I or the kids, it's exhausting. Not because we're like, woo, doing so many amazing things, but because he loves to walk everywhere. He pinches every penny, okay? I love him. He's so thrifty, which is amazing, but he would rather walk 6 hours than pay $2 for a subway ticket. That's what I'm saying. Every time we go on vacation, we eat so many delicious things, and I still lose 5 pounds because I've walked 12 hours a day. And he doesn't like stopping for snacks and drinks. He's like, you had water at 7 a.m. You're fine to 7 p.m. It's not that bad. I'm exaggerating. But the kids and I complain the entire time, but we're feeling so fit. So the point is, not only do we pack to get ready for our vacation, but we stretch, we limber up, we start like, lifting weights to get ready for daddy's vacation training. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time.